Hello, myself Apurva Kulkarni. I have completed my PhD from IIIT Bangalore, class of 2024. My PhD was in the domain of data science and I worked under Professor Chandrasekhar Ramanathan.
What were the biggest challenges and rewards of your research journey at IIIT Bangalore?
To start any journey, obviously it is very difficult at the beginning, and adjusting yourself into the new domain always brings challenges. So when I started working as a research scholar in IIIT Bangalore, initially it was very difficult to adjust as a student because the environment was new. Also, like pursuing the research, new problem statement, understanding the dimensions of research was little difficult. But here at IIIT Bangalore, with the different different subjects that we allow to pursue, and also interactions with the faculties helped me to understand research as a whole. Also, it supported me to bring more knowledge to my research and build the foundation for my PhD thesis.
Can you explain your dissertation topic in a way that even someone outside your field can understand?
When I started thinking about a PhD problem statement, it is like finding something in the ocean. It is very difficult to land to a problem statement that I really wanted to work. My supervisor really helped me to bring a new idea to the research domain, and we actually tried to see how applicable the research would be. The one common problem that we observe is, as data gets generated at every level and at every dimension, it is very difficult to bring that data to a common ground and make sense or make decisions based on that data. We term this name as a heterogeneity, like the data is available in the different formats. So my PhD was mainly focused on bringing the data from multiple data sources to a format where we can query the data semantically, not only understanding the keyword basis or just to a textual basis searching, but identifying the data and a data point based onto the semantic basis, and we use domain knowledge to retrieve the relevant information.
How did your supervisor play a crucial role in mentoring and guiding you throughout your PhD program at IIIT Bangalore?
It was really a great experience to work with Professor Chandrasekhar Ramanathan. What helped me to bring my research journey seamlessly executable was having a planned meeting every week with my professor. So usually it happens when we are working on a small problem statement, we tend to lose a bigger picture or the whole idea of the research that we want to lead to. Having a meeting with a professor brings us back to the bigger picture of our research and also focusing on to milestones that we want to achieve. So with professor, we always discussed about what we are trying to achieve as a entire PhD research and what is our current task, how we are planning the execution of this work, how you will be testing the work, and how we can try to represent this work more formally. So regular meetings with him helped me to understand my problem and the research domain very well.
Did you find a fulfilling balance between your research and your life outside academia at IIIT Bangalore?
At the initial level, when I joined my PhD, I was very scared because it was a 5 years long commitment and I was not very sure whether I will be able to achieve it or not. And at the very beginning, my professor suggested me it's a part of your life and it's not only life. So experience your PhD with all the other tasks that you really want to perform. And that kind of gave me confidence to pursue my likings along with the research. Here at IIIT itself, we are different clubs and all the professors really appreciate our participation into clubs. And I was very active in Theatres Club and also the sports event that kept kind of a good balance between the academia and as well as my personal life.
What is your advice for the prospective research students considering a PhD at IIIT Bangalore or in general?
Obviously, doing a PhD is a long-term commitment, as I said, and it initially feels like daunting to give such long commitment. But trust me, as you start the journey, it is possible. one step at a time, one day at a time. That was the funda that I used throughout my PhD. Obviously, there will be failures. You will feel that you're missing out on other things, and obviously, managing your life and personal life with the stipend is really difficult. But it happens. Gradually, you start engaging yourself into research activities and you start gaining confidence and the happiness from the research that you do. And slowly, as in at IIIT, the milestones are planned in a way that you remain engaged throughout the 5 years. Like initially, you are engaged with completing coursework, then you have comprehensive. Once you get an idea about what you're researching about, you dive deep into a research, understanding the literature related to your work. And towards an end, it kinds of get accelerated by giving the more presentation about your work, participating into events like RISE, and also representing your work with other possible events at the college. So that kinds of give you confidence about your research and helps you to present your work as well. So I will say just start the research journey and be patient, be confident. You will be receiving your degree with open arms.
Thank you.